You got a princess box?
Yeah.
Should we open it and see what you have in there?
Yeah.
Instruction book. Oh, is that for painting? You got some crystals.
Of my heart.
Oh, your heart, Donna. You're going to do some crystals, aren't you, on the picture? Right, so what you do is you've already got the crystals ready. This is the little sponge to pick up the crystals, and then we'll open it. So this one we're going to do here is number 6. So you ready? Kick on then. Good job, well done. To a new colour now. What colour is this?
Purple.
You're doing the flower? Good job, you're doing great, aren't you? This is really good. Good job, son, you're doing a good job so far. Well done. You put a little dot. Well done. Do you like it? Is it hard? Yeah. But do you know how to do it though? You're getting good, aren't you? Show me. Oh, that's good, isn't it? You doing her hair now? Okay. So you've done so much of the picture now, haven't you? Well done.
Yes, Mummy did it.
You did it. Well done. Mummy helped you a little bit, didn't she?
Yeah.
Yeah? So now you're going to carry on with the dots here? Well done. Put it on the dots. Good girl. Good job.
9.
Into the 9, yeah.
Onto the too many 9.
Yeah, carry on.
Oh my god!
Come out really
Oh
nice.
my god! What the bird do?
That's all done with the crystals in there.
Hi, boys and girls. See you next time.